Hello there, YouTube. I'm posting a video to show what this pulley is. I'm going to do it in metric. There's my noon whistle. It's lunchtime. 22 millimeters in diameter. Of course, this little sewing machine motor, it's 6 millimeter. Trust me on that. 6 millimeter on that. On the shaft, which doesn't matter if I get another motor. But this is 22 millimeters diameter. And at the top of the pulley, it's not quite 6 millimeter. I think that'll show up. So you gotta go in a little bit. Not quite 6 millimeter. This measurement. Your bottom of your pulley is 4 millimeters. I knew all this and I went to get the belt and I lost the paper. The bottom is 4 millimeters, the top is 6 millimeters. So it tapers a millimeter on each side. We'll try to do it in English. If you check the diameter with this, the white lines, the white scale is 1/64, so it's 1/64 short of 7/8. I'll even look at the decimal there. Look at the scale. Hope this picks up good enough. Okay, and if you check the width of this at the top, you're like 1/64 short of a 1/4 inch. And if you check the bottom, we'll call that like 1/8. It's hard to fit these down in here. If you see, what a grungy. I had to spray with my spray and tap on it because I don't have a puller to pull this and I don't care about the motor, and I had a drill bit in there using it as a drift punch to get this off the motor. I drove it one way and took some emery paper to the shaft with the motor running. You can ruin a motor by pounding on it. So we'll call that like about 1/8. And this was like, I'll go up here, 1/64 short of a 1/4. If you want to get right down to it, I said about 160. Well, see, there's a little more. We're going to go exactly as we can to the very top of it. We're going to call it 1/64 short of a 1/4 inch wide. Depth, good luck on that. I have to go off camera here. Depth comes out about a 1/64 over a 1/4. Now this is just guessing by trying to eyeball that. Your depth is about 1/64 over a 1/4 because the white, I'm going by the white scale, 1/64. I got these for doing projects. They're not a micrometer like your other calipers to do thousandths. But if I remember right, each 1/64 is about 10 thousandths. There's your blue scale. See? I think I'm right. If I'm wrong, someone correct me. That's 1/100th, which is 10 thousandths. This only goes by hundredths. So I want to get this all on camera. See, like this measurement don't really matter. See, that don't really matter. But it is totally about a 32nd over 3/4 long. You got two 64s. I'm getting myself confused. That's why I'm getting on camera in case I say something wrong. Okay, hope that covers it. This is the pulley off the nano lathe motor. It had 6mm, of course, and most sewing machine motors were 1/4 inch. So this has to be bored out of 64 to put on a sewing machine motor. So you kind of screwed there. But you can't get these pulleys for a sewing machine motor. They almost look like this. The old sewing machines were a little bit smaller. I might have said they were 1/2 inch somewhere. I think I said they were 3/4. This is bigger than I thought it was. 64 is under 7/8 diameter. I think I covered all that. We'll get this posted. Thanks for watching. Okay, I'll try it again. I'm trying to get the telemacro to work. Worked earlier. You have to trust me on this one. You go to the width of the belt. It's like a 64th over 1/4 inch. I don't know why that worked so good before. And the bottom of the belt is take a 1/16 of an inch. No, 3/32 off of. Subtract 3/64. I get confused. Let's try this again. Okay, this just won't show up on camera. The belt is a 1/4 inch at the top. Your bottom of your belt is 3/16. Your bottom of your belt is 3/16. Okay. At the bottom of the belt, 1/4 inch there. And this is the problem. It fits on the big pulley of the lathe just right. This pulley was never made wide enough. It could set deeper. But that ensures that it never goes down in the bottom. And I will take some pictures too and add. So we won't worry about the blurriness. That about covers it, I think. I hope that does. Thanks for watching.